Okay, so the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and the Dbrand Grip case, let's have some fun. Okay, so no cuts, no edits in this video. We're gonna start this drop test off kind of light here. We'll do a sit down test. You know, sometimes we have our phone on our lap, but with the screen down, and sometimes the screen can be a bit slippery and it can accidentally slide off of your lap. Okay, we seem to be good there. And just to show you guys, yes, this is a working device. We don't use dummy devices here on this channel, so it is a working device. And if you're still watching after that first drop, make sure you hit that subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Okay, next test. And I like to do real world tests here. So, and I've actually had this happen to me before where you're trying to put the phone in your pocket, maybe you're in a hurry, but you accidentally miss. Oh, falls on the ground, you miss your pocket, or maybe you're talking on the phone and you know, maybe you get startled or something. Oh wait, the S Pen did come out. So that does happen with falls sometimes. The S Pen will kind of pop out of it. I've had it happen on many occasions, but you're talking on the phone, you accidentally, I don't know, you get startled, you open up your hand, you accidentally drop your phone, or maybe you just wanna let your phone chill on your shoulder and kind of let it fall off, or maybe you just feel like throwing your phone against the wall. Oh, okay, and I know a lot of you guys like this one, the basketball court. So if I make this shot, then you have to subscribe to the channel, okay? Ready, here we go. Oh, through the legs, let's see. Woo! Ooh. Okay, let's take a close look at this real quick. So the S Pen did pop out, but we just gotta pop it back in. And just so you guys know, I'm actually not only using the Dbrand Grip case, but I'm also using Dbrand's Prism 2.0 tempered glass screen protector. So this as a combo should give our Galaxy S26 Ultra some good protection. But let's take a quick look at the device. I don't see no cracks, no scratches, just my fingerprints. Everything is still looking good. Everything is still working fine. Let's check out the cameras real quick. Are the cameras working good? Ultra wide, main lens, telephoto lens. Everything seems to be working just fine. Taking a look at the cameras in the back, those are looking good as well. Now I'm sure some of you are wondering, I'm sure you see the ladder over there in frame. I was not planning on doing a ladder test, but you know what? Why not? If y'all subscribe right now, I'll go ahead and do this. Are you subscribed yet? Are you subscribing? Let's do this. So sometimes, you know, you're up on the ladder. Maybe you put your phone down. You know, most ladders have this little area right here. Not sure if you can see my head or not, but most ladders have this little area right here. And you know, some of us, we like to put our phone down right here, but sometimes we miss, it falls off. Oh, let's do it one more time. Okay, so that landed on its back, but maybe you want it on the higher spot. And maybe you forget your phone's up there, it's sitting up there, you're walking up to the ladder, you're trying to get up, oh! Falls off the ladder. Whew, I'm having a little too much fun here, but let's see. Is there any damage to the device? Everything is looking good. Look at that, no cracks, no scratches. Everything is still fine. I did lose the S Pen there, as you can see, so I will have to go and grab that. But let me see, can I get out of this without the S Pen? Do I have to? Okay, maybe I have to press save. There we go. I'll just put got it. Let's get in here. Okay. Everything seems to be working a-okay, perfectly fine. Even after all of those drops, let's go and take the phone out of the case. Make sure not to drop it without the case. The back of the phone looks good. The cameras are still looking good. As you can see, there are no cracks, no damages, no scratches. Everything is looking great here on my Galaxy S26 Ultra. I just gotta grab the S Pen. It flew over there somewhere. But as you can see, the Dbrand Grip case and the Prism 2.0 tempered glass screen protector from Dbrand, it's gonna protect your Galaxy S26 Ultra just fine, even after all of those drops. But you know what? Let's go ahead and go inside and we'll take a closer look at the case and the device itself. All right, so I've made my way inside here into the office. So now that we have some better lighting here, let's take a closer look once again at the Galaxy S26 Ultra here, just to make sure that we don't have any damage. And as you can see there, the tempered glass screen protector is still looking good. So the fact that the case was even able to protect the glass screen protector as well just shows you how much good protection you are going to get with this case right here. I did find my S Pen out there, and the S Pen as well is still good as well, still in good condition. Let me go ahead and put that right back in there. This side is looking good. The top is looking good. The back of the phone is looking good as well. As you can see, there are no damages. The cameras are looking good. So as you can see, overall, the Dbrand Grip case right here did a great job at protecting my Galaxy S26 Ultra. But now let's take a closer look at the case itself. So starting off with the inside of the case, as you can see, it's just pretty much a hard shell on the inside, some Dbrand branding. As you can see, we do get the magnet in there for MagSafe charging. So this is compatible with any, wireless magnetic accessories. Like I got Samsung's charger right here. As you can see, it's going to work just fine with that. I'll go ahead and throw that on once we get the phone in here as well. Now it is a hard shell all the way around, but the one thing that I love about the Dbrand Grip case is the fact that we get to switch out the skin whenever we want. We can change up the look of this case without changing up the protection that we're getting. If I get tired of the yellow here, maybe want to switch it up to a red color, or maybe they're leather skin or triple black skin or whatever skin it is they have, I can do so without actually having to change up the case. That's one really cool thing about the Dbrand Grip case right here. Another thing that I love is the grip that we get all the way around this case right here. Look, you can see the scuffs right there. That's where the case took the damage during the falls. See anything on these corners? Got a little bit right there. A little bit right there on that side. But yes, the grip is going to help this case stay nice and secure in your hand, nice and secure in your bag, your pocket. Definitely some good grip all the way around. And you do get some texture for the buttons as well. As you can see, the lines are a little bit of a different direction. These are more diagonal. This is more straight. So you can differentiate the volume rockers from the power button. You do got a little bit more texture down here. So that as well is going to help out with grip. Let's go ahead and throw it on to the S26 Ultra. Oh yeah, nice snap there. So we definitely have a nice secure fit here on the device. As you can see, fits really good all the way around the edges, and it doesn't interfere with the glass screen protector as well. So you don't have to worry about that screen protector popping up off of that display. But it definitely feels great in the hands. It's not the super thinnest case, but it's not super bulky either. And it's giving us just enough protection for that display right there. As you can see, just enough lift. So if you happen to accidentally drop it flat down, on a flat surface, it's giving it just enough lift to where this display does not hit any flat surface. And then when it comes to the protection for the cameras right there, same thing. We're getting just enough coverage for those cameras in the back. But this is how it looks on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. I think it looks great. It feels great. It's going to give you the protection that you want, the protection that you need for your Galaxy S26 Ultra. Again, it is compatible with those wireless magnetic accessories. As you can see, we're getting a pretty strong magnet in the back, so you don't have to worry about it falling off of your MagSafe charger. And then when it comes to using the S Pen, as you can see, it's nice and easy to get the S Pen out of there. No problem at all. They give you just enough opening there to make it nice and easy. But using the S Pen, let me go ahead and throw this back in here so we can do a screen write with the screen off. Let me turn it off, take this off, then it'll let me do a screen write. So let's see if the case itself, the magnet in there affects any writing. And as you can see, it looks pretty good there. I am putting just a little tiny bit of pressure, but there's no skips or anything like that, like what we've seen before when it comes to, magnetic cases and, the S Pen. So it's not really going to affect your usage of the S Pen with this case right here. So what do y'all think? The Dbrand Grip case, like I said, if you like that drop test, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you did like this video and find it helpful. Leave your thoughts down in the comment sections below. I'll have a link down in the description below in case you want to check one of these out for yourself, and I'll also put a link in the pinned comment as well. But thank you all so very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.